Noor sat silently in the hostel library, staring at the mirror message still haunting her. You should have stayed in your village. The cleaning lady's note and a dropped phone picture confirmed her it was Zara. Noor's fingers trembled. She had evidence. She had the right to expose her. But she took a deep breath and whispered to herself, "This fight is not against Zara, it's for my future." Instead of revenge, she chose something Zara had never seen: forgiveness. Noor placed the photo and note in an unmarked envelope and slid it under Zara's room door quietly. The next morning in class, Zara did not speak. Her gaze dropped when Noor entered. But as the class ended, Zara paused at the door and whispered, "You could have destroyed me." Noor replied gently, "I did not come to win over people. I came to win over myself." Just as Noor felt the weight lifting from her shoulders, her phone rang. Her mother was in the hospital. Shock, tears, panic. The biggest CSS exam was just 2 days away. Would she go back or stay and complete her dream?